Upgrading your windows is a smart home improvement decision, especially in a city like Glendale where homes are exposed to varying weather conditions and energy efficiency is a priority. However, many homeowners are unsure of what to expect when scheduling a window replacement. From choosing the right windows to the installation process, knowing what to expect will ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. In this article, we'll walk you through the process of scheduling your window replacement in Glendale, outlining the steps and providing helpful tips so that you can prepare for your window replacement project. Initial consultation and estimate. The first step in scheduling your window replacement is to schedule an initial consultation with a professional window contractor in Glendale. During this consultation, a representative from the window company will assess your current windows and take precise measurements of the window openings. This allows them to determine the best window style, material, and size that will work for your home. During the consultation, you'll have the opportunity to discuss your preferences, including window style, e.g., casement, double hung, or bay windows, materials, vinyl, fiberglass, wood, and any energy-efficient options you may want. This is also the perfect time to ask questions and discuss concerns regarding aesthetics, functionality, energy efficiency, or security features. After the consultation, you'll receive a detailed estimate that breaks down the cost of materials, labor, and any additional services such as removing old windows or repairing window frames. Be sure to review the estimate thoroughly to ensure there are no hidden costs. A good contractor will provide transparency regarding pricing and project timelines. Choosing your new windows. Once you've received your estimate, it's time to choose the type of windows you want for your replacement. This is an important decision, as your choice of windows will impact both the look and functionality of your home. There are several factors to consider when choosing new windows. Window style. Depending on the look and functionality you want, you can choose from various window styles, such as double hung, casement, sliding, or bay windows. Material. Window materials vary in terms of cost, durability, and maintenance requirements. Vinyl windows are low maintenance and energy efficient, while wood windows offer a classic aesthetic but require more upkeep. Fiberglass windows offer excellent durability and energy efficiency. Energy efficiency. Many window manufacturers offer energy-efficient options, such as double or triple glazed glass, low-E coatings, and gas fills, which help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Customization. Some window companies offer custom window designs to fit unique window openings or match your home's specific style. Your window replacement contractor will assist you in making the right choice based on your budget, preferences, and the climate conditions in Glendale, ensuring you select windows that enhance both the comfort and aesthetics of your home. Scheduling the installation. Once you've made your selections, the next step is scheduling the installation. The contractor will provide you with a timeline for when the windows will be ready for installation and work with you to choose a suitable date for the installation process. Depending on the size and complexity of the project, installation can take anywhere from one day to a few days. During this period, it's important to ensure that the installation team has access to your home. You'll need to clear the area around your windows to provide the installers with ample space to work. This includes moving furniture or any obstructions near the window openings and securing pets to prevent distractions or accidents. You may also want to confirm the details of the installation process with the contractor, including the number of installers coming to your home and the expected time of arrival. Good communication is key to ensuring that everything runs smoothly on installation day. The installation process. On the day of installation, the window replacement team will arrive at your home at the scheduled time. They'll begin by carefully removing the old windows and preparing the frames for the new units. The installation process usually involves the following steps. Removing old windows. The installers will carefully remove your existing windows, ensuring no damage is done to the surrounding walls or structures. Inspecting and preparing the window frames. Before installing the new windows, the frames will be inspected for any signs of damage, such as rot or mold. If necessary, repairs will be made to ensure a proper fit for the new windows. Installing the new windows. The new windows will be placed into the prepared frames, and secure sealing techniques will be applied to prevent air or water leaks. The installers will also check for level and proper alignment to ensure smooth operation. Cleaning up and final inspections. Once the new windows are installed, the installers will clean up any debris and perform a final inspection to ensure everything is functioning properly. You'll be asked to inspect the windows yourself to ensure they meet your expectations. Post-installation care and warranty. Once your windows are installed, the contractor will provide you with information regarding the maintenance and care of your new windows. Many modern windows require little upkeep, but it's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain their performance and appearance. Additionally, most reputable window companies offer warranties on their products and installation services. Be sure to ask about the warranty coverage, which may include protection against manufacturing defects and issues arising from improper installation. Conclusion. Scheduling a window replacement in Glendale doesn't have to be stressful. By following the steps outlined above, from the initial consultation to the post-installation care, you can ensure that the process goes smoothly and results in windows that improve the comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your home. Whether you're upgrading old windows or replacing them due to damage, working with a professional contractor will help you make informed decisions, keep the project on track, and enjoy the benefits of high-quality, energy-efficient windows for years to come. If you're ready to enhance your home with new windows, reach out to a trusted contractor in Glendale and start the process today.